So I'm going to teach you how to install the Tapcon. So as you can see here, I have the conduit here. So we're going to install it kind of here in this area and to fix this in place. So basically you're going to need one of these roto hammer drills and then just this, an impact driver, and that's it. Very easy. And this is very fast, faster than using the plastic anchors. So as you can see, it worked great, firm. And one of the advantages that you're going to have with the plastic anchors is that you can have this, make the hole and put the screw, and that's it. With the other one, let's say that you do that, you have to make a hole here, and then you put the clamp here, and then you put the screws, and it takes more time. With this, you don't have to take this out of the place, just put the screw in, and that's it. Here I'm going to show you a little bit the differences that you're going to have with the screws. For instance, here we have the regular with the plastic anchors. The good thing about this, it comes with a drill bit, so that way you have the right size every time that you have to make a hole. So for instance, you have the Tapcon. So this one, you don't need any plastic or anything like that. You just put it and it works. So basically, if you are putting this on the wall, just make the hole, hold it in place, make the hole, keep it in place, put the screw in, and that's it. With this one, for instance, you cannot put the anchor, you see, through the hole. So you will have to remove the clamp, the pipe clamp, a clamp or whatever you are trying to attach to the wall, and then you have to put this, and then after that you will have to hit it with a hammer, and then after that you will have to screw it. So it takes too much time to use this instead of this. This one is good. Let's say if you have maybe a brick and you have a soft brick. The good thing about this is that this is going to expand more. This will not expand at all. So if you, for instance, when you buy the regular Tapcon, I would recommend you to buy, for instance, a drill bit like this. And when you have this, you know that for sure that you have the right diameter. So basically, this is not going to expand or anything like this. Like this one. So this one is a little bit more forgiving. This one, if the hole is too big, too bad. You will have to use a bigger screw. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to use it. But like everything, I would recommend you to have everything in your toolbox. So whatever you have, you can use. So it depends on the situation. So that is what you can use. So everything is good to, in my case, I have a little bit of everything just in case. I don't know when I go to a customer what I'm going to find. I want to be ready for any situation. So hopefully this video was useful. If you have any question, please let me know section below. If you want to buy something like that, I'll leave you in the video description all the links. And if you want to keep learning, go to the playlist using a computer. usually with the cell phone doesn't work, and you will be able to access to all my classes. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.